Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Citus AMC. They have 429 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, and they have a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a title data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to use various websites to access the information to be reviewed and enter it into the system. They're specifically looking for someone to do title searches. So you'll be reviewing title searches for required documents. You'll be typing the title commitments and title policies for the client orders. So the main part of the job is reviewing those title searches and pertinent documents. You'll access the various computer systems for the client websites. You'll type those commitments or policies and any other activities as assigned. So it is straight titled search type data entry, non-phone, no calling, anything like that. They don't require a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do highly prefer somebody who has knowledge of online tax resources, an intermediate understanding of documents such as deeds, mortgages, judgments, taxes, things like that. You do have to have strong communication skills, strong typing skills, and strong attention to detail, and of course the ability to work under pressure and move in a fast-paced environment. But if this sounds like you, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, of course pay is going to be dependent on things like experience and location, but pay is anywhere from $46,800 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, disability, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Feel free to leave in the comments what is for you. Let me know specifically what you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.